Welcome back to the kingdom. How well do you know the mothers and women of the Bible? Time to test yourself. 25 choices, one answer in 10 seconds. Ready? Let's get it. Easy level. Who was the very first mother to ever live on the earth? A. Sarah. B. Eve. C. Hagar. B. Eve. Which baby did Yishbed put in a basket to save him from Pharaoh? A. Isaac. B. Elijah. C. Moses. C. Moses. Who was the mother of Jesus, who gave birth in a manger? A. Mary. B. Martha. C. Mary Magdalene. A. Mary. Which mother prayed until God gave her a son named Samuel? A. Mary. B. Ruth. C. Hannah. C. Hannah. Who was the mother of Isaac, who laughed at God's promise? A. Sarah. B. Rebecca. C. Leah. A. Sarah. Medium level. Kindly subscribe for more quizzes. Thanks. Where did Jacob first meet his future wife, Rachel? A. In a garden. B. At a well. C. At a market. B. At a well. Which woman was turned into a pillar of salt? A. Jezebel. B. Athaliah. C. Lot's wife. C. Lot's wife. What did Delilah use to cut Samson's hair? A. A bronze razor. B. A sharp sword. C. Large shears. A. Bronze razor. Which angel appeared to Mary to announce the birth of Jesus? A. Michael. B. Gabriel. C. Raphael. B. Gabriel. How old was Sarah when she gave birth to her son Isaac? A. 70. B. 80. C. 90. C. 90 years old. What object did Rachel steal from her father? A. Household idols. B. Jewelry. C. Ritual clothing. A. Household idols. Where did Ruth go to gather grain and meet her husband, Boaz? A. The mountains. B. A vineyard. C. A barley field. C. A barley field. Who was David's first wife and the daughter of King Saul? A. Abigail. B. Bathsheba. C. Mitchell. C. Mitchell. What did Hannah bring young Samuel at the temple every year? A. New shoes. B. A scarf. C. A little coat. C. A little coat. Where did Mary give birth to Jesus? A. In a manger. B. In a palace. C. In a farm. A. In a manger. Hard level. Who was the only woman to serve as a judge of Israel? The answer is Deborah. How did the wicked Queen Jezebel die? A. She was thrown from a window. B. Poisoned. C. Killed in battle. A. She was thrown from a window. Which woman hid the two spies in the city of Jericho? A. Rebecca. B. Deborah. C. Rahab. C. Rahab. Who was the first person in Europe to convert to Christianity? It was Lydia. What did Rachel provide for her sheep when she first met Jacob? A. Grass. B. Water. C. Shelter. B. Water. Impossible level. Who was the mother of Obed and the great-grandmother of David? The answer is Ruth. How many of Philip the Evangelist's daughters were known as prophetesses? Four daughters. True or false? The mother of Joshua is never named in the Bible. True. What was the name of the mother of Cain and Abel? It was Eve. True or false? The Bible never reveals the name of Noah's wife. The answer is true.